Have you ever heard a bump in the night, a creak when no one is there, or a whisper just out of reach, leaving you to wonder what just happened? That feeling of unease can be quite unsettling, making your own home feel a little less safe. Yes, you absolutely can take simple, proactive steps to create a more protected and tranquil environment, potentially shielding your home from unknown noises and any unsettling feelings they might bring. It is about creating boundaries and intending peace within your space. The core idea behind shielding your home from unwanted influences, including unexplained sounds, comes from the belief that intentions and energy play a significant role. Just as you might lock your doors to deter physical intruders, you can set spiritual or energetic intentions to discourage disturbances. This is often rooted in ancient practices that focus on purifying a space and establishing a clear energetic perimeter. To begin creating this shield, start by decluttering your home, as physical clutter can sometimes create stagnant energy. Next, practice simple cleansing rituals such as opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, which are natural purifiers. You can also use sound, like ringing a small bell or clapping your hands in each room to break up any lingering energies. Finally, visualize a protective bubble or light surrounding your home, affirming aloud that only positive and peaceful energies are welcome. Many traditions globally utilize items like salt, which is believed to absorb negative energy when placed in corners or around thresholds, or fragrant herbs such as sage or palo santo for smudging, a practice used to cleanse and purify spaces. Even a simple intention set with clear quartz crystals placed near windows or doors can be a powerful amplifier for your protective efforts. These methods are not about complex magic, but about intentional focus and creating a positive atmosphere. By consistently applying these simple, intentional practices, you are not just performing rituals, you are actively cultivating a sense of peace and security in your living space. This proactive approach helps to establish a clear boundary, ensuring your home remains a sanctuary where you can relax and feel safe from any mysterious sounds or unsettling presences.